From the broadcast home of the San Francisco Giants, NBC Bay Area presents Giants Clubhouse.
It's an aroma at AT&T Park that's distinctive, garlic fries, and they've been a part of Giants games for nearly 2 decades, since the team's days at Candlestick Park. Now they're found at ballparks all around the major leagues, and it's a Bay Area native who is credited as the originator of this taste treat.
It all started back in 1994 at Candlestick Park. We opened up one booth that had the Biersch beer and garlic fries. There was a line 30 people deep, and they opened up another one, and eventually we had like 6 booths at Candlestick, and now I think there's about 10 of them here at AT&T Park.
And Dan Gordon, the co-founder of Biersch, can still be found today making garlic fries in the kitchens of AT&T Park. You'll also see his famous figure on some of the beer taps at the ballpark.
Yes, let me do my little pose there, the keg lifting pose. The level of authenticity behind every bottle of beer that we make is clearly evident in my physique.
It's a pairing that's now a true Bay Area tradition.
You know, some things just click, and we were very fortunate that the garlic fries is now more or less an institution. We're at 35 stadiums now. It's not just Candlestick and AT&T, but it's spread around the country pretty powerfully.
On the home of the Giants, NBC Bay Area, I'm Lawrence Scott.